It's Patrick at Pals. So this is the carrier on the Ram 3500 that we're putting a new ring and pinion and bearings in. Now Jim has got this all cleaned up. Let's take a look at what was in there. Take a look at the metal inside. Everything had come apart. What can you show me on these gears, Jim?
Well, it's weight up.
They weigh it.
You can see here, they're worn out, completely gone. And at the same time, there was no bearing on this side of the carrier, which was causing it to bounce back and forth and rub into the housing. So everything was just slopping around inside there.
So when you took this apart, it was just hanging on by the drive shaft, basically.
Basically, yeah, everything's just like worn out.
Wow. You know, one of the most important things you can do is service your differential on a timely basis. This one has went over 200,000 miles and never been serviced. Everything needs to be crystal clear clean to go back together. If you've got a faulty differential, bring it to Pals. And if you want your differential to go forever, bring it to Pals for regular service. See you soon.